I'm at Wendy's, Panorama City, California. Wendy's is an American fast food chain restaurant with over 6,000 locations in USA and over 400 locations in Canada. Wendy's Panorama City location, located just inside Panorama Mall parking lot, is very clean with new furniture and soda machine. Wendy's offers $5 Biggie Bag for limited time period. Wendy's Panorama City location offers each bag come with a junior cheeseburger plus 4 nuggets, fries, and a drink. There is no other option for different sandwich here. It is still a bargain deal. I'm at the Wendy's. I ordered $5 Biggie Bag meals. These meals come with junior cheeseburger, small fry, 4 chicken nuggets, and small drink. I'm gonna taste the junior cheeseburger. That's what we have. So we got pickles, we got onion, mustard, cheese, and burger. Let's take a bite. Taste. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, subscribe the channel, press the bell button so you get notified when we update the channel. Please also follow us at IG and Facebook.